Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these 2-pack of replacement batteries for the Ring Doorbell 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so right here we have the rechargeable battery pack, which is compatible with the spotlights, the stick-up cameras, the peepholes, and the Ring Doorbell versions 2, 3, and 3 Plus. So this does have a dual port charging station, 2 charging batteries at once. You can charge one battery by itself if you'd like. And if you do not want the charging port right here, you can actually charge by the cable itself. They do have a large capacity battery of 6,040 milliamp. This replacement is 100% compatible with the Ring Doorbell cameras 1, 2, and the spotlight camera, stick-up cameras. So right in here is the battery charger and the batteries, so you do get 2 of them, so you are doubled up in that. So I did get the Ring Doorbell 4, and it does use a battery, and it's also used for the hardwire. But being that my hardwire is not working right now, I decided to go with the battery option. And the one that comes with it, it makes it a lot harder to charge it. That way you won't be able to use your camera. So I decided to purchase these separately. So this one does come with 2. So if you do not want to charge it on the base, they do have where you can charge it with just the wire. But me, I like to have batteries backed up. So now I'm going to grab the second battery and I'm going to put it on the charger. So I think it completely charged took me about 5 hours to charge both of these completely to 100%, because it is have a 6,040 milliamp, which is a super high capacity. Is not much different than the original one from Ring. And then the screw on the bottom of your Ring Doorbell does fit in there. And then you can see that there's these little metal spikes right here. You will line those up to the battery, and it goes right in there. You got to push it a little bit harder. Now it's a little difficult to get it out. You have to rock it back and forth because they are snugged in there just so they don't fall out when you're charging. You do have a Type-C charging port right here. And then we're going to get our Type-C to USB, plug it into this base. So for demonstration purposes, I don't have a plug. I'm going to use a power bank, and I'm going to plug this into it just to show you that how it charges. This is simple signal indicator. It is easy to diagnose a charging station through the charging of red and green indicators. When the red light is red means it needs to be charged. The green light basically means it is fully charged. So right now I have a power bank. I'm going to plug it into my power bank, turn it on, and you can see that it is charging the batteries. So right here basically just tells you that it is needing to be charged. When these are completely charged, both of them will be green. So right now it's showing the red, so it's completely dead. I think it only has about 10% on the battery. So I'm just going to go ahead and charge those ones out. And then to take them out, all you have to do is wiggle them back and forth because they're in there kind of snugly. You just pop them out just like that. So now if you want to just charge one, you could put one in there, both in there. And again, you got to rock this one out because they are snug just so they don't fall out. And on the back of the batteries, it tells you the indicator lights. So this does come with the Type-C to USB. You've got the 2 batteries and you've got the docking station. So I use this in a backup with my Ring Doorbell because it does come with a battery, but I like to have extra batteries. And if you are basically don't have your dock with you, you can charge this with the provided cable. All you got to do is plug it into the battery and then plug it into a power source. And then you can see I'll turn it around and it's showing that it is charging. It does take probably a little bit longer if you're using a power bank. It's literally 5 hours if you're plugging it into the wall. So if you're looking for an extra battery pack that goes for your video Ring Doorbell, I would highly recommend checking out these ones. These are basically compatible with most of the Ring devices.